So today I'm reviewing New Best Blood Sugar Advanced Balance Premium Extra Strength with 23 herbs, vitamins, and minerals with bitter melon, cinnamon, mulberry, and ashwagandha. It comes with 60 vegetarian capsules. Sorry, the camera's moving. And it's a 30-day supply made in the US. It's dairy-free, soy-free, GMO-free, and gluten-free. You're supposed to take 2 capsules daily for best results or one and spread it out. So like one in the morning, one at night. And it has some vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B6, biotin, magnesium, zinc, magnesium, and chromium, I think. And then it lists a ton of herbs on here as well. And the other ingredients is it has rice flour and coprameliose. I'm pretty sure that you say it. So this is how the bottle looks. Let's open it up and see how the pill looks inside. So it's like a standard pill size, and it smells really herby as well. So if that smell bothers you, be aware. But other than that, this is like to help with blood sugar control and a lot of other stuff that's like natural.